in the bloody car. Sit down inside. We're loading out soon. Waiting on your fat ass.
No, but we're loaded now. I'll get in.
We have loaded.
Right, just gather round. Robbie doesn't know. He's probably AFK. Okay, so pretty simple. We're going back to the original.
This is the coconut and a bag of cocaine. Sure.
If you guys stay on that road, the rest of blue team's heading to the other road.
I mean, as long as we get to walk.
User joined your channel.
Eyes on. Get your head down.
Richard.
Get eyes on the shoot. Engage.
Oh, fuck him up.
User joined your channel.
Move up.
Careful, civilian.
Watch it. Civilian coming up on your left. Watch your fire.
2-1 Charlie, this is 1-1 Charlie. Message over.
Send message over.
Are you receiving shots over?
Negative, but I did hear them to the southeast-ish, over.
Yeah, this is 1-2 Charlie 2-1-1 Charlie. We have just engaged a gunman on the east. He is down, and we're setting up a perimeter to check if there's any
Copy
more.
that over. You've got another one coming round. I saw him before I could get my eyes on him.
Copy that. I just shot him in there. Cheers for that.
He's not dead though, is he?
Can you TP?
Oh yeah, thank you.
My brightness is at...
Someone shut the door. If it could be -4, I would do it.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, probably.
Low
Cheers.
resistance strat. Oh, whoops.
Oh, mine is 0, that's fine.
Blue. We're getting that.
Is this the right route, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Right, if any of you are in third person, you can look over and see the base there. Very bright, so you might not even have to have night vision when engaging.
What's an IR grenade?
Oh my god, take off your night vision.
Irish stroke.
It is red as fuck over there.
Yeah. Not for me.
It's kind of nice.
For me. It's not red for me. I can't see anything.
Yeah, me neither.
Oh, yeah, for me it is satanically red.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait,
it's
really?
meant to be that way.
For me, it's not red at all. You guys are ready to
Not for me.
It's just black.
Oh, so maybe it's my rat eyes, yeah.
Yeah, no, it's same for me.
Yeah, no,
Me.
yeah,
Okay,
came
I'll do it.
popping.
Hey. Oh.
Okay, everyone hang tight, start picking your targets, do not fire until told to.
This is 1-2 Charlie 2, all clear signs. We are ready to engage.
About 450.
Copy, get some eyes on.
1-2 Charlie, this is 1-1 Charlie, be advised we are just preparing, over.
250, you said.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's 6
Two,
man.
bearing 260 and then
I have
450.
eyes.
Yeah, they don't even have night vision.
Can we get confirmation that nobody in here has night vision? Does anybody see anyone with it?
There's a guy on top of the left tower, and he doesn't seem to have night vision. He's directly looking at me.
No, he doesn't.
Right, we're gonna do a risky move, but I think judging by the fact that 90% of these people that we see don't have it, I'm putting in a wager that none of them have it, so feel free to use lasers to mark targets for the attack.
One, 2 Charlie, this is 1-1 Charlie. We are ready when you are, over.
Copy that. We'll be opening fire in about 10 seconds.
Hold
Everybody
that.
mark target.
Hold.
This is 10 Bravo 2
Do not fire yet, we're just
20
getting a long range.
Alpha. You're clear for javelin shots.
By the way, wind is coming from
Okay.
the south.
Javelin shots will be fired. When those javelin shots hit, engage. Weapons free. Mark targets.
All call signs engage.
Okay, vehicles, slowly move up. Everybody, get behind it, use it as cover to move up.
6-man squad is dead.
Good shooting.
This is 10 Bravo 2 1-2 Charlie message.
As soon as we're clear and you know it's clear on the other side, let's get over this wall once you're patched up.
Yep. Oh, nade.
Are we all good, lads?
I'm throwing the stun.
Grenade left.
Stun thrown.
Alright, anybody
If you
who's
want, you can move
able-bodied
up. I
in.
got hit somewhere. I'm gonna. Oh, head. Okay.
Move in.
Disregard it.
Yeah. Don't give me blood. It's not
Yeah.
worth it. This sounds good.
Go, go. What the fuck do you mean red? It's extremely red.
Yeah.
Go, go, go.
Oh shit, sorry.
Eyes on helicopter.
1-2 Charlie,
Get the
2
stars
4 we have enemy air assets in the area. Get some AA on that.
Clear back blast. Clear back blast.
Hi, Command 2 Alpha. Resupply would be a javelin box for the FSG.
He's in on
Over.
bumper.
I'm gonna tap his shoulder. Don't worry about it.
There we go.
Solid copy on
He's
that.
in.
I'll get it over to you as soon as
Put him
possible.
in the gunner seat.
This is 1-2 Charlie to High Command.
We have a
Sorry,
medic. I think
to
mine's stitching
1-0
me.
Bravo. We have captured what looks like some sort of officer
Oh yeah, I'm
and
just
mounted
me
him into
stitching
our
in the
vehicle.
head, but I'm below.
Solid copy. I'm gonna drive down if you put him in my Vic.
Copy that. He's ready to receive.
Anyone-
So Glenn's gonna run us up the arse if these thing happens.
Vehicle.
Give him a beat.
Vehicle.
Oh shit! Off the road, left, off the road, quick! Do not engage. Engine off, off the road.
What's that?
I'm gonna.
Dismount, let them pass. Let them pass.
Get down.
Yeah, we're fucked. We're big time.
Everyone, get ready to engage, Spread out. Engage the convoy, fire at will. Take them out. Get these vehicle engines turned off and off the road. Pull them off to the right.
Would you like to get the vehicle ready to move? I'm on the road to go.
Keep everything off the road for now.
Oh, look at them. They're speaking to each other. Did you see that? Oh, so cute. They're all gonna die.
This is 1-2 Charlie to 1-0 Bravo. We're in pause
Like
and
he
ready
touched
to
his
engage.
shoulder.
1-2 Charlie, so 1-1 Charlie, we're also in
You
position
only
ready
have
to
2
engage
more
over.
days of service.
Solid copy.
Don't worry about it.
If you guys wait one.
And now
This
to
is
the
1-0
weekend
Bravo
to
to
ruin
2-0
his
Alpha
dreams.
message.
Hello, 1-0 Alpha, this is 2-0 Bravo. Correction, hello, 2-0 Bravo. Break. Vics are loading up and I believe preparing to roll out. Please advise urgently.
Engage.
Fire at will. Storm that vehicle, don't let it out. Get the Star Street.
I hope that wasn't a friendly grenade. If it was, it's brain dead.
Watch yourself, lads. Remember, covers your best, mate.
Right, Chaz.
1-2 Charlie, so 1-1 Charlie. Our side of the checkpoint's clear. How copy over?
Further west.
Copy that, we're clear with us as well. Just checking the perimeter now for any distractions.
No, I got a grenade in the face.
Copy that 1-2 Charlie. 1-1 Charlie out.
Wound.
I'm doing.
Can you get one roll on me?
Everyone good? Of course he does.
Summon us by opening the doors. We shall do the same.
Pal, if you're not careful, you get an S1.
What's S1?
Brain you can.
Captain of the patrol department out here.
Whoa,
Sorry, Sorry, Glenn. My game just like windowed out and then went back in.
Right, Jolly, do we have permission?
Oh, watch the hill, lads. Watch the hill. Whoa!
Who's smoking?
Elliot. I'm sorry, is smoking not allowed?
Yeah, it's not good for you actually. It's not good
Well, I
for
don't
your life.
care.
It's not good for your
Can you
life.
put some cigarettes in the car? You're 15 years old.
Yeah? It's good for the. It's not. It's good for the lungs. Crash into him. Crash into him.
You fuckers! Right, that's it. Yeah, off we go, mate.
Go.
Take off the speed limit and then hold left shift.
Shit to shoot out his fire.
Max speed.
We're taking.
Hold left shift.
Coming up!
I'm fully aware of that.
Do I have permission to shoot him?
Negative. Right, is anyone hurt?
No, I think
No one's hurt. Fucking Freeman healed him.